Welcome to SMC Ford in Slough. Thanks for choosing us. This short video will take you through the details and final preparations on what to expect on the day.
Whether you booked online or over the phone, it's likely that we'll need some further information before you arrive. That's why we like to call you a few days before your visit to ensure that we have all the relevant information and that you are completely satisfied with all of the booking details. During the call, we will confirm vehicle and personal details, how we can communicate with you during the day, and what you might need to bring in. We will also confirm any further checks or work that you would like done. If your vehicle has a Ford Pass Connect modem and is switched on, we can also check if there are any further system identified actions that need to be completed during your visit. If your vehicle has a Ford Pass modem and is not activated, please follow the steps provided in the booking confirmation. Activation of this groundbreaking technology helps us to help you. We can pre-order essential parts if under warranty and avoid the need to book you in at a later date. When you arrive, if a bay is clearly available, please use it. If not, don't worry. Park up outside the reception doors and one of our insured and proficient drivers will park it for you. One of our service advisors will double check we have all the necessary information, take your keys and confirm the planned completion time. Once your vehicle's in the workshop, our technicians may conduct a Ford video check and they'll send this to you via either email or SMS. The video check will enable you to see what the technician sees and will help you decide on any additional work. When you collect your vehicle, we want you to leave us in the full knowledge of everything that we have done for you, how important your business is to us, and that we will contact you again roughly 24 to 48 hours later to ensure that you are 100% satisfied with your experience. Your feedback is so necessary for us to continue improving. Ford may also send you a survey. Please take a few minutes to complete it. It helps us to deliver outstanding customer care.
We are here for you. Thanks for your booking, and we look forward to seeing you soon.